Yo, how's it going, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. In today's video, we are finishing the hoist. Now, the hoist is actually done. I just lost some footage, so a lot of interesting things happen, but we actually do get the hoist done. I just got with this new awesome key fob to match the focus. It's all carbon fiber and red. I think it's pretty cool. It wasn't too bad. It was on Amazon, so. But yeah, it's done. It's just right over there. Oh, that's all you get to see because the car was up in the air. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is actually a continuation of us starting the lift in the last video and kind of getting everything positioned, but it's fully functioning, it's working, so hope you guys enjoy it. I figured while I'm waiting for that part to show up, I would at least do a couple other things. So the side latches, when this thing goes up, it actually kind of gives you a little bit of a diagram right there. There's safety locks that the latch catches on as it goes up, and then you lower it onto it, and that's what engages it and keeps it safe. So what I ended up doing is I installed it. This is the complete finished product with the shield over it to keep your hands safe, and it's in the currently like the lock position. As you can see, as you go to lift up, it puts the engage down. I feel like they could have designed that a little better. It looks like it kind of scratches the hell out of the cylinder in there, but whatever. I guess that is what it is. I guess I could also kind of pull it, release it, and then you know what, maybe that's what you're supposed to do. You pull it, release it, and drop it down. That way I won't scratch the hell out of it. But this is basically your parts. So you've got your latch, your pin that goes through, you got the two springs that hold it tight together, this holds the cover on, this keeps the pin in place, and this is your cover. And surprisingly enough, I actually put this on properly. I didn't realize there was an offset hole for the offset cylinder piece. We're gonna go ahead and put the other side on now. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the next day. We've got our monster to start the day off. We've got our giant rotary hammer is what they call it. I like to call it an impact giant drill hammer thing, whatever. It's got our 7/8 bit on there that is ridiculously oversized, and we should probably figure out how deep we need to go based on measuring this bit. I think I need to cut a 5-inch hole 10 times. Could take a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure the 5-inch mark off of that, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, we have our mark set for 5 3/4 inch, so 5 inches for the hole, 3/4 inch to make up for the depth of the plating on the steel. So we are going to start drilling. This is exciting. All right, so I guess I can explain what I'm doing since I haven't really explained it. I've just been kind of doing it. You have to drill 5 holes that are 7/8 inch in diameter, 5 inches or so below the concrete. This concrete, I just measured it out. You can kind of see below the concrete there. There's some spots that are a little deeper, but for the majority, it's like 4 inches or so. I am now going to put the anchors in, and what you do is you use this set screw. When you put the anchor in, you twist this all the way inside the anchor, tighten the nut about 5/8 of an inch away from the bottom of it, and then you hold the top and you tighten the bottom. And what that does is it pulls this little piston up through these guys, and they widen and hold on to the concrete. So that is what gives you your bite for your anchor for these. I think these things have like a 15,000 pound rating per bolt, like tensile strength. So I mean, you're looking at 150,000 pound tensile strength for the whole system. So I'm going to do the same thing I did for that side. This side is done. There's no moving it. It's part of the ground now. That's cool. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this side, doing the process I just told you about. There's a lot more to do after that, including a lot of checks and balances when we're done, but I am going to start that now. All right, well, it turns out it was a terrible idea to go up against this seam right here, which I kind of figured. We lost the point on here that is supposed to expand and pull this guy into that guy, and yeah, I don't know where to get a new one right now. I'm gonna end up moving the whole thing over. It's about 5 inches inward. Yeah, we're gonna be at 115, which is gonna be in the middle for mid-size, so it'll still be fine. It just makes me really upset. I knew doing this one first was gonna be okay, because it's stout, it's sound, it's where it's supposed to be. This side was a pain in the ass, as I knew it was going to be, which really sucks. I'm gonna make some phone calls, figure out what I can do. It doesn't always end well. Yeah, you can even see that piece in there. It's underneath the concrete. It must have pulled itself off of there, expanded. It wouldn't be useful anyways. I'm gonna at least try and get the other ones out of here, see if I need to order more of them. I probably will. This sucks. I'm so disappointed right now. There's so much stuff I wanted to get done this weekend, and that's gonna hold it all up now, so I don't know if this is the end of the video or not, but I'm gonna work at it and see what I can figure out. All right, guys, I'm gonna be positive about today. So I just secured this to the line, got all the Teflon tape on there, secured this hose. This disconnect is done. That thing's good. So we're gonna go ahead and keep those connected. I'm gonna fill the reservoir and get a funnel, get a clean funnel, because I know I got some dirty funnels. And we're gonna at least operate one side of this hoist. I'm gonna make sure this thing works, and I'm gonna say I made it work this weekend, because I don't know if I can get these anchors anytime soon, if it's a specific anchor or what, but I'm gonna delve into that as soon as I get this side done. All right, so I was having some real crap luck with the anchors earlier, and these two lovely gentlemen are staying at the house, and they got this thing all ready to go. They're arguing over being lovely or gentlemen. I don't know which one they are worried about, but it's all anchored. We ended up moving it 5 inches closer, not a big deal, because Miata's tiny little car anyways. And this was the debut, so you girls done? Yeah. All right, this is it.
Hold on, that's it.
Take two?
Take two.
Okay, take two. That's better. I mean, it'll lower.
There's a little bit of air around there. Definitely would have probably happened.
So, is that one clicking the same time this one's clicking?
No, because it's definitely lower.
That's what I was saying. Did
But
you
I think-
set it down on that first point?
This is a hair from making this next click, I think.
Okay.
Oh, this one isn't clicking, that's why.
Definitely off.
Oh, you know what?
Is there a spring or something? There you go.
Should be just like that.
Rich, do you think if you set them down on the next, or whatever that last...
You can set them down right now, because this one just basically clicks.
There you go.
That's either side.
No, that's level. That's perfect. Yeah. That's.
I'm only learning one to shoot.
Look at the pistons on the top. They're the exact same. It's perfectly level.
Yeah, it's pretty darn close.
Look at that shit. Let's keep going. All right, there's
They're getting
7.
closer.
Yeah, there's 7 total.
There's 7 total?
So, it's making a funny noise.
I've got a fluid.
You think so? Oh, I think it's all the way up. No, it has a whole click to go. I could see the next click in there. Can you put more fluid in it while it's
Yeah,
up?
absolutely.
I'll lower it on that last click. So we'll put some more fluid in it, and then, woo! I didn't think I'd be seeing that in my garage before.
That's awesome.
If that's not a thumbnail, I don't know what is. Guys, I can't even believe what I'm looking at right now. It's so amazing the amount of progress we've made in this garage in such a short time. We've been here less than 2 months, and we have so much stuff done. It's just amazing. I love this garage. I love this house. I'd like to take a minute and just talk about this is what I'm dealing with right now. I mean, this is my garage, and I love that I can say it's my garage because I worked super hard for it, and there's just kind of at a loss for words right now. It's pretty amazing. More than I could ever ask for, but this is my home shop, basically. Let's call it a 3.5 car garage now with the hoist in the way. All right, so let me talk more about the hoist, I guess. This is the highest position that this goes in, which is great. because you can sit on a wheelie chair and be underneath here. I can just walk underneath my car, no problem. It's in my own personal garage. I can lift it up, bring it down. Everything works perfectly. I have to fill up those holes. I'm gonna put some concrete in there tomorrow. Not tonight. It's literally 12:30 at night. Oh, the wife's up north, but I'm just sitting here talking to a camera. That is going to conclude today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.